Welcome back to Algebra 1 exercise sessions. We are going to do chapter 4.2 and this is the second part in the exercise session. Page 134, exercise number 32. The second of three numbers is 4 times the first. So here we say the first number is x, the second is 4x. The third is 2 more than the second. So third is 2 more than the second, and that will be 4x plus 2. If the second number is decreased by twice the third, so the second number is 4x, decreased by twice the third, so that's minus 2 times twice times the third. The result is 28. So 4x minus 8x minus 4 is equal to 28 minus 4x. This goes to the other side. That's equal to 32. We divide by minus 4. And we have x is equal to minus 8. So x is equal to minus 8. 4x will be minus 32. And 4x plus 2 will be minus 30. We're adding 2 to the minus 32. And the answer is minus 30. So these are the three numbers. Number 34. The second of three numbers is 8 less than 3 times the first. Again, we assign x to the first number. So the first number is x. The second is 8 less than 3 times this. So the second is 3x, and we take away 8. The third number is 18 less than 6 times the first. So the third number is 6x minus 18. 18 less than 6 times the first. If twice the first number is decreased by the third number, so twice the first number, that's 2x, is decreased by the third number, we take away the third number from it, the result is minus 2. Now we solve. 2x minus 6x plus 18 equals to minus 2. The 18 goes to the other side, and we minus these two, so minus 4x equals minus 18 and minus 2, that would be minus 20. We divide by minus 4, and that would be x equals to 5. So here we have x equals to 5. Find the three numbers. This will be 15 minus 8, and that's 7. This will be 5 times 6, 30, minus 18, and that's equal to 12. So these are the three numbers. Number 36, Jessie went jogging on Monday. On Tuesday, she jogged 1 mile farther than twice the number of miles she jogged on Monday. So we say let the mile jogged on Monday be equals to m. So Monday is m. Tuesday, 1 more than twice the numbers on Monday. So that would be 2m plus 1. On Wednesday, she jogged 1 mile less than 3 times the number of miles she jogged on Monday. So on Wednesday, she jogged 1 mile less than 3 times this number. So 3m minus 1. She jogged a total of 18 miles in the 3 days. So we simply add these, m plus 2m plus 1 plus 3m minus 1, and that's equal to 18 miles. How many miles did she jog on each of these 3 days? So here we have m, 2m, and 3m, that's 6m. And that's equal to 18. minus 1 is 0. We divide by 6, and m is equal to 3. So on Monday she jogged 3 miles. On Tuesday she jogged 2m plus 1, that's 6 plus 1, that's 7. And here 3m is 9 minus 1, and that's 8. These are the number of miles she jogged on each of these 3 days. Number 38. On a social studies test, Charlene scored 85 points. On a science test, she scored 6 points more than on a math test. So, the first test we already know, she scored 85 points, so we don't have to worry about it. The science test, she scored 6 more than on the math test. So let the math test score be m. So the science test will be m plus 6. Her average score of the 3 tests was 89 points. Now the social studies is 85 points. The average, we simply add the numbers and divide by the number of numbers, or the number of items. So here, what did she score on the math test? So we want to know this number. We're not interested in the number scored in the science test. So let's get the average, m plus 6 plus 85 over 3, because she has 3 tests, and the average is 89. To get rid of this 3, we multiply by 3, both sides. So we have here m, 2m, we add these two, plus 6 and 85, that will be 91, is equal to 89 times 3. We get the 89 to the other side, so 2m equals 89 times 3. That's equal to 267. We take away from it 91, so minus 91, and that's 176. We divide both sides by 2, and m is equal to, divide by 2, and that's 88. So her score in the math test is 88. If you need the score in the science test, then you simply add 6 to it. And with this, we come to the end of this lesson. We hope to see you again.